to draw cat paws. Draw 2 lines. Draw a circle. Draw 3 curved lines. Draw some bumps. Then make some claws. How to draw open paws. 2 lines. Draw full circles. Don't make them too close. Now connect them to the leg. Connect the circles. Make lines for the claws. Draw the claws. Sorry, let me fix this crusty musty claw. Add any other details you want. How to draw cat ears. Draw a semicircle as the head. Draw a triangle on one side. Make a curved line down the middle. Draw some fur. You can add a tip if you want. Do the same on right side. Add any other details you want. How to draw cat eyes. They can be human eyes or cat eyes. First, draw the eye shape. Then draw a circle in the eye. Draw the pupil. Then make a circle above it. Color in the eye. You can use any color, I just chose green. Make it dark and then fade into light. You can also use your Q-tip to blend it. Add eyelashes or other details if you want. I hope this helped. Bye.